Welcome to Parts HnC. Today, we'll show you how to clean a tankless water heater to boost efficiency, prevent clogs, and keep it running longer. Before starting, please turn off the unit, shut off the water valves, and allow it to cool. Wear gloves and safety goggles. Locate the hot and cold service ports and carefully disconnect the hoses. Expect some water to spill. Connect hoses to both the hot and cold service valves. Place the other ends in a 5-gallon bucket. The cold hose connects to a submersible pump and the hot hose returns liquid back into the bucket. Fill the bucket with about 2-3 gallons of white vinegar. This natural acid helps dissolve scale and mineral deposits inside the unit without damaging components. Turn on the pump and let the vinegar circulate through the system for 45 minutes to 1 hour. This flushes out built-up lime scale and debris from the heat exchanger. After cleaning, remove the vinegar and flush the system with fresh water for 5-10 minutes to rinse out any remaining residue. You can do this by reconnecting the water supply and briefly opening the valves. After flushing, disconnect the hoses, close the valves, reconnect the water lines, and restore power. Finally, turn on a hot water tap and check the system for proper operation. Make sure there are no leaks and that the water is heating up as expected. Need replacement parts or descaling kits? Visit Parts HnC for top quality HVAC and plumbing components to keep your tankless system running like new.